much. Come on. Okay, all right, thank you so much. All right. Yep, bye. Come on, pull into the parking lot. Let them know. Sorry. Sorry. What is that plate? Tennessee? Yeah. 52 Norcom. We're gonna be on a traffic stop. I didn't even clear us off of that. It's alright. It's got to do with this anyways. 52. We're gonna be in the parking lot of Sylvester's Italian Grill. Sylvester's Italian Grill. It's gonna be a white Ryder Truck, Tennessee plate. It's gonna be 57186. 57186. Looks like one occupant. This is gonna be in relation to the previous call we were on.
Clear.
Yeah, I seen that. How you doing, sir? Officer Everly, North Canton Police. Reason we're stopping you, we're looking for a Ryder Truck that sideswiped the vehicle over here at the dentist office a little while ago.
Okay.
Were you making a delivery anywhere around the dentist office right up the street?
No, I mean delivery to
515 Portage
no, I mean delivery to
or 1515.
actually I gotta check.
Okay.
1225 South Main Street.
1225 South Main. That's the only, you didn't turn around or anything over in here?
I might have.
29 Norcom.
Okay.
I might have.
Over in a back parking lot?
Yeah,
of
I
a business?
parked there.
Okay, alright, so
Route back to the
okay,
city.
listen, you're not gonna be in trouble.
No, I'm not. I parked there.
Clear.
I parked there earlier.
Okay, then you're probably, you gotta be the one that that sideswiped the vehicle because it was a Ryder Truck.
Can you come on out here? That way we can talk out here?
Yeah.
Alright. I think.
Where would I get it? I don't get it.
Well, there's one right here. So we got a couple people that witnessed it.
Yeah.
It was a Ryder Truck, looked just like this.
Okay.
This might be it.
Yeah,
white
it was a.
SUV.
Well, I have a picture of how the truck looked before.
Okay, if you got a picture,
Yes,
we can
yeah.
take a look at it.
Yeah.
Sir, you got your driver's license too?
I do.
Okay.
That's not me. I'm thinking too. I'm like, you need to check the area.
Yeah.
Because usually they go back around.
Yeah, that looks like white paint too. So.
Yeah, I mean, so all we'll do is just give the exchange. We'll just exchange.
I looked at paperwork at home. Sorry. My
Sorry.
driver's license.
Okay. You got the
What
insurance
happens is-
information for the truck?
Well, Ryder, we get it through Ryder,
Okay.
but they take a picture of the whole truck before they give it to you.
Okay.
So there's like a 3-page, I thought it was my laptop back. Let me look again. There's a 3-page report where they take a picture from here, from the
Okay.
side, from everywhere else. I mean,
How's your insurance information work? Do they
yeah,
have
we
it?
get it through them.
Okay. Do you have that? Like the policy number or anything with
It
you?
would be on there. It would be
Okay.
like, when you know, when you rent a U-Haul,
Yeah.
it would be
Okay.
on that.
How do we go about getting that?
I would say,
We're gonna need it for the report.
I'll see if I can get it.
Okay.
yeah, maybe just call it Ryder.
Okay.
You know what? Every truck has a number. There
Yep.
should be 371628.
Okay.
Should have sometimes it's like in the middle. They gave it to me. I went to the office first. All right. Because I rented it 2 days ago. All right, that's fine.
I'm gonna go back and run him real quick. Now, her mirror. Was she saying it was pushed back from the truck hitting there, or was it one of those ones that automatically fold in?
I don't know.
Because that would indicate then the damage would have been on the opposite side of this truck. 'Cause I thought she said, I don't know that those edges where the mirrors fold in though.
Can't find it.
Can't find it. All right. But I mean, you turned around in the parking lot up the street here.
I went to. I probably had.
What time?
4 deliveries.
What time were you in the parking lot? You think, or around about that time?
I delivered.
About 30 minutes ago.
How long?
About 30 minutes ago. 35 minutes.
No,
well,
2 hours.
2 hours. Okay.
Yeah, 2 hours. And I went to this. I went to this office. The other people paid cash, but this is where I went.
Okay.
Which is, like I said, I don't know where. I'm not sure where you're saying it happened, but this is where I went.
Literally just right
Okay.
about
I'm
half a mile away.
I'm from Cincinnati.
Okay.
So.
Well, was it a parking lot in the back of like a building, blacktop parking lot like this? There were several white vehicles. There was a big dumpster back there. I mean, if you turned around up there, it's only a Ryder Truck.
I came off this area. I knew
Okay.
is it 76 here?
This is 77.
77. I came off this exit. I went up, and I went around, but I don't know.
Okay.
I don't think I hit anything. But
All right. All right. Just go ahead and hang tight for me. We'll be up with you in a minute. Okay.
The license plate is 57. All right, my brother's getting us the insurance. You can see where the rear view mirror, where the mirror hit.
Up
It's got like a little bit of white but it's got some thick black on it.
Okay.
That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna guess that.
Yeah, I was trying to ask him a little bit more in detail. I mean, he said he's from Cincinnati, so he's like, he's saying
it
it's
was
probably
running
about
out of Cincinnati.
He's saying about 2 hours ago, he was in that area.
Cincinnati?
No, in this parking lot.
2 hours ago. Well then I don't know.
Well, now we don't know how long she was in the dentist office either. What
It
time
makes
her appointment
sense.
was.
I mean, I can't. I mean, there's no other. I mean, they've got. I mean, you've got damage consistent to. You got paint transfer consistent to her vehicle on it. He said he was in that. In there, you know, in that parking lot.
Well, he doesn't know for sure. I was trying to describe it, the parking lot, but he's like, I don't think I hit anything.
Well, I mean, he can't.
Yeah.
I mean, this is. It doesn't matter. He's claimed he was in the parking lot. Say that, you know, see the black up here. A little
Yeah.
white.
Oh, yeah. That's definitely her mirror.
Yeah, I mean, that's definitely.
You want me to snap a picture of that, or just
Yeah,
use
why
body
not?
cam, or
Yeah, use your body cam. That's fine.
what do you press to do a picture on these?
What you do is you see with that right there. Oh, you
Yeah.
just click it like you're taking a picture.
Yeah, it vibrated.
This is definitely the truck. There's no
Yeah.
doubt about it.
Yeah, and I mean, he probably didn't even feel that.
And we won't cite him for Pittsburgh or anything. We'll just take the report.
All right, sir. Here's your ID back.
Sir?
Yeah, you got some paint transfer back there to be consistent with her vehicle, with the mirror and the white paint. I mean, you probably didn't even feel it.
No. Now.
It caught the edge of her fender and her mirror. Like, she got a black mirror, and you got like black plastic transferred onto your bumper with the white paint.
Left or right?
On her vehicle,
Yeah.
it would have been her front passenger side, the wheel well and the mirror.
So
Her vehicle is pointing north.
So how would that side have hit the passenger? The driver or passenger?
Your driver's side came along her passenger side.
I got you. Can you show me?
Yeah. Right here. This is from her mirror, and then this is from her fender.
And her car's about that high?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a
It's a Ford Edge.
It's a Ford Edge, so an SUV.
Like a small SUV, like about that.
It's almost exactly like that. That's what it looks like.
Cause see her fender, you'd have got the fender. You got the fender about right here. And then the mirror.
So she was parked right here, and I went around and hit that side and hit the fender too.
Yeah, she was parked facing north. And when you came through, you got the passenger side on her vehicle, front passenger side.
Yeah.
So, I mean,
here's we always they've got two different kind of insurance on riders.
okay.
We always take them both.
Okay.
Yeah, I've already got the insurance for this vehicle.
Okay.
What's your phone number?
Area code 513 900 1973. And if you want to text me, I can take a picture of the contract and text it back to you.
Picture of the contract
Yeah.
for.
Yes, at the office.
Okay. Who do you working for?
Well, actually, I own the company. It's called Affordable Business Equipment.
Affordable Business Equipment.
Yeah, we
Okay.
rent from Ryder, and we deliver office furniture.
I've already got everything confirmed that you rented this truck,
Yeah.
so we're good to go.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not going to need to see a contract. It's just gonna it's just a private property
Yeah.
accident. Nobody gets cited.
Yeah.
Since you got insurance through Ryder, they'll take care of it. It's very, and it's not even. There's no damage. It's just
Yeah.
you can wipe it out.
I said you probably didn't even feel it with this big truck. I mean,
Yeah,
you
you're
know.
not gonna be able to feel that.
That's why I'm really careful too. It's got two mirrors here, two mirrors on the other side, and I'm pretty careful. But you can see how chopped up it is. So there is stuff that happens.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So. All right, well,
Yeah,
we'll
get it rode up.
It is, gentlemen.
Yeah, we'll get it rode up, and the insurance companies can.
Give them the CFS.
Yeah, let me give you a copy of our call for service number and our PD number real quick.
I found the pictures, but there's not one on the side.
What's that?
So they email you the pictures too when you pick it up.
Okay.
See, but there's none of the side.
Okay.
Like the back, like that side. It's all like front and back
Okay.
and stuff.
I gotcha.
Oh, by the way, so here's my agreement.
We're not gonna do. If we were doing if it was on the roadway, we would need all that stuff, but it's private property.
Yeah, it's literally private property. The insurance companies will take care of it.
Okay.
This is our call for service number. If you have to call our police department, reference this. This is the number you'll use.
Gotcha.
North Canton PD, our dispatch non-emergency phone number. My name with my unit number.
Sweet.
Okay.
Thank you very
That's
much,
all
guys.
yours. That's pretty much all we need. So,
Appreciate it.
all right, guys.
Thank
Thanks. Yep.